Kingfishers are known for their unique hunting traits.
They fly rapidly low over water and hunt fish from riverside.
Kingfishers represents peace and harmony.
Sparrows have been a part of daily life for generations.
They sing sweet song. A sparrow flies into one's home, symbolize good luck and happiness.
Parrots are very fascinating all over the world.
Parrots are a few animals that can mimic human speech.
They are amusing, intelligent, and often affectionate. Pigeons are beautiful domestic birds.
They have been used as messenger in historical times. Macaws are large colorful parrots found in North and South America.
They have a bold and strong nature.
Macaws are intelligent social birds that gather in flocks.
The peacock is well known for his bright feather.
Peacocks have a strong interaction with humans.
We all love to watch peacock dancing.